Hello, aspirants. I hope everyone is fine and taking care of themselves in these times, in these hard times. So, recently, as many of you guys have been messaging me about my book list, my complete book list of my prelims as well as mains. So, I thought to share with you. Today I thought to make a compiled video about my complete book list as well as my notes, what I have prepared till now, what I have compiled from all the books, my research, everything. So this file includes my notes. So let's take it one by one and see what I have in this file. So first thing I wanted to share with you guys is that I have my forestry material, which is not required to you because this is my optional in Indian Forest Service when I am about to give it. So rest of the material is history, political science, geography, economy, everything I have compiled. I have played a psychology here that I have tried to write on an A4 size sheet in as small font as possible, because as you will see, the whole Lakshmikant I have compiled in 25 pages, 25 A4 size sheets. I have compiled whole Lakshmikant. There's a psychology behind it that when I'll come to revise it, in my brain I will have the satisfaction that I only have to read 25 pages, and I read those 25 pages in just one day. I completely revise my Lakshmikant in just one day. This is my Lakshmikant notes. As you can see in this video, these are my Lakshmikant notes. These are so compiled that I cannot tell you. I'm so proud of myself that I have compiled the whole Lakshmikant in just one compilation of notes. So as you can see in this, there's my first chapter, historical background, and there is second one, making of the constitution, and there are the rest of the chapters. And in these 20-25 pages there is whole Lakshmikant covered, and it takes me hardly one day to revise it whenever I had to revise. These includes all the important points that I could extract from the whole Lakshmikant. So I hope you like this technique, and some of you might copy it as well, because this is so efficient and this tricks your brain into revising in very less time possible. So you can look at the note material that I have, all the pages that I have, all the concise notes, and so this is so thin that I cannot tell you its importance in my life. So then let's jump to the next concise material, that is my geography notes. In these geography notes I have compiled my 11th 12th NCRTs, because 11th 12th NCRTs are sufficient for your geography preparation. Apart from that, I have read my G.C. Leong and Majid Hussain geography also, which I will share with you later, but to be more precise, I have compiled all the 11th 12th materials so that I can revise them in the more efficient manner possible, as I have shown you for Lakshmikant. So the next note material is my Indian economy. Indian economy also I have compiled the NCRTs, as well as I have compiled some important facts from internet, and the economic survey from internet, the budget from internet. So in these notes I have compiled some little things that will help me revise when I'll read something bigger. So rest of the material is just here and there, the geography, some important points in geography, some important points in economy, and some maps. As you can see, I used to practice a lot of maps. I used to create the rivers, from where the river comes, and all the east tributaries, west tributaries of all the main three rivers, that is Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra. So I used to cover these things, and these are my history notes, and I have tried to cover these history notes from the spectrum and create a brief niche about my important points like International Congress, arrival of Gandhi, partition, Quit India movement. Everything is compiled in these important notes, and they are so crisp that it will only take me one day each to cover these things. One day for polity, one day for economy. So these are my notes which I have prepared over the years, and they are my sweat and blood. So these are my notes. So let's focus on some of the books that I have and some of the material that I read for my preparation. First is for geography. For geography I read two books. I read two books, that is Gocheng Leong, the geography certificate, physical and human geography, and Majid Hussein's India and World Geography. Both of these books are phenomenal. I have read them I think once or twice. G.C. Leong I have read 3 or 4 times. So I have created notes out of these books. Now I don't have to go through all of these books, but I have to just go through the notes that I have prepared. So that is the beauty of notes. So the second second subject that I would prefer is Indian economy. For Indian economy, as I said, I have completed my Indian economy from NCERT as well as the online material. So I have bought these two books as well from McGraw-Hill as well as from Pearson. I didn't bought Ramesh Singh because that is too bulky and too heavy. They are too small and too thin, so that the material I have already read, they will be able to give me the concise revision part. As you can see, this Indian economy by Shankar Ganesh Karupaya is only a 190 page, and you can see how less time I can revise it. So this is something that I would prefer. And for polity, I am telling you, there is Lakshmikant, which is the Bible of UPSC preparation. For governance, I have M. Lakshmikant's governance as well as M. Karthikeyan's governance, which is Pearson publication. So all the three books are important. If you have time, if you think you have a year or 2 years, just go through all the books, create your notes, as I have read all of them and I have created my crisp notes, so that I do not have to go through them again. I just have to go to the notes and revise my material. That is what I will suggest to all of you. Just create your notes and revise them as many times as you can. So the next material that I have is history. For history, I also have 3 books, that is Spectrum, Modern India, World History, that is Norman Love. And for history, brief history, I have Poonam Dalal Dahiya, which is McGraw-Hill publication. In it there is ancient, medieval as well as modern in a very crisp manner. I bought this because I think Spectrum is giving me vast knowledge. For revising purpose, I may go through this also. So as I said, I am preparing notes for all of these so that I do not have to go through the books again. I just have to go through the notes for my revision purpose. And that is the best strategy that I can suggest for you also. After going through the NCERT, just jump to the books, the basic books, so that they will help you in your preparation. And for environment and ecology, I have 2 books. The one is from Shankar and the other one is from Majid Hussain. Both of these books are phenomenal, and I love to read ecology, basically environment and ecology. So I have bought these 2 things, and I have created so concise notes that they also consist of 30 or 40 pages max, and they help me in revision. I can revise them also in 2 or 3 days, and that will also help me in retaining the knowledge as much as possible, so that I will be able to produce good answers. For Indian society, I would say this is only for the mains. Indian society doesn't come in prelims, and I have bought these 2 books, one from McGraw-Hill and another from Pearson. Both of these books are phenomenal. You can read them both and prepare your own notes, so that you can revise them when you need. And I would always prefer from 2 books, because there is always 2 ideologies that you will get, so that you won't be biased about only one ideology. That is why I have bought two books from each, for each subject. In internal security also, there is one from Pearson and other from McGraw-Hill. Both of these books are phenomenal. Internal security is something that will be helpful to you in interview as well, because in interview there are lots of questions on internal security. Like, they will put you in a situation and will tell you what you will do in this situation. So these books will help you how to tackle the situation, and you will be able to know all the things like Naxalism and everything. You will be able to know, so that you can tackle those questions well. And the next book I have is Ethics, Integrity and Aptitude. It is by from McGraw-Hill publications, same by M. Karthikeyan. It's a phenomenal book, and ethics is something that will help you in becoming a good civil servant, and ethics will create a moral dignity in you, how to become a proper civil servant that will be able to help people out and will be able to perform his duties well. So this book is something that you must read, and I don't know where I got this book from, but this is something that I really loved, and this was a by chance book that I got. I wasn't intending to buy it, but I got it. So this is something that I would love to tell you. The next book is Important Contemporary Issues. This book includes all the important issues of 2020 that were there, and this book will explain the things in such a way that in mains I will be able to produce my answers in a smoothest way possible. Okay, apart from newspaper, apart from current affairs, this will cover all the issues, contemporary issues that are there, and that can come in the prelims. And I love this book. even though I haven't read it, but I am planning to read it. So this book is something that I will surely recommend to everyone. Next is my question bank, that is previous year question papers of 25 years. This is the from Arihant, and this is one of the most important thing that you can opt for, and only this can help you in understanding what type of questions will come in prelims as well as mains. So the last material I want to show you is my optional, that is botany, and it is way too bulky. This optional is way too bulky, and I don't know if I don't know any person who has taken botany as optional, but I think I love botany and I love reading it, and it will help me in all the other examinations as well, like ACF examinations, DFO examinations, Indian Forest Service examination, and all the other examinations. So this is such a subject which will help me in every other examination that I am trying to opt for, because I am from forestry background. I have done my bachelor's in forest sciences, so I have a little bit knack in botany and plants, so that I can handle them well. But it's very thick and it's very bulky. This is a huge syllabus for it, but I am able to cover it, and I will be able to cover it. So I think this is something that I would like to share with you. So in the end, the only thing I will tell you is NCERTs are very important. I have covered NCERTs once, but NCERTs are not sufficient, because everyone is reading NCERTs and you have to have something extra than them. So how will they come? When you will read extra material and read them in such a way